Everybody, welcome to Vlogmas. Today is another day of flour power. Today we are making banana bread. So here's the ingredients. All right, y'all, we're gonna jump right into it. These are very ripe bananas. I have 3 of them. We're gonna peel them. 2 and 3. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of these bad boys. This is gonna be so good. This could be cute for Friendsmas, brunch. It could be good for a snack for the kids. Let me get a fork. Something sweets that they could have on the way home, well, arriving home from school. Let me show you me mashing this up. See, it's very easy to mash. This could be something you can have on the side of tea. This could be something you have on the side of tea. This could be something you have with a cup of coffee in the morning. Oh, it'll be great for a tea party you have with your friends. Alrighty. Now that we have the bananas mashed, we're gonna take 2 teaspoons of ginger. Let me turn you around. This is half teaspoon, so we're gonna take 1 full teaspoon of ginger. I like that little zing. It's just regular ground ginger. We're gonna have a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. Okay. One full teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry for the fridge. Sorry. For our salt, we're going to take a half teaspoon. Very loosely, not a heaping. To me, I think that's too much. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half. Okay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which that's possibly all I have. Let's see. That's all I have. All right, y'all. We're going to take, let's see. I have a recipe up here that I wrote down. We're going to take half a cup of milk. We're going to take a half a cup of packed brown sugar. 3/4 cups of white sugar. Okay, we're gonna mix this together. We're gonna remove our fork and let me show y'all what we have so far. And this is what we have so far. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna add next a cup and 1/2 of fluffed all-purpose flour or sifted. You don't want your flour packed at all. Now we're gonna add our 2 eggs right before we add our flour. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of regular sugar, because I did not measure this for the 3/4 cup. That's a full 3/4 cup. I just didn't want it to be too sweet. So that is 1 egg, 2 eggs. Still got some chunks of banana in here. That's okay. That's what you want inside of your bread. Chunks of bananas. Now would be a good time to add almonds, walnuts, cranberries, whatever you want your mix-ins to be. Now would be a good time. Also, now is a good time to have your oven preheated to 375 degrees. This is gonna bake for 50 minutes. Alrighty, so we're gonna take our flour. We're gonna open the bag. We're gonna take our 1 cup and we're gonna fluff up the flour. Uh-oh, got too carried away. We're gonna fluff up the flour. And we're gonna shake it. This is 1 cup. And now we want a 1/2 cup. Let me get a 1/2 cup right here. We're gonna fluff it up. And a 1/2 cup. And we're gonna mix. That's what the kitchen is all about, getting a little nasty. Labor of love for your family. This banana bread is gonna be so good. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And we just gonna mix. Because we want it to be extra moist. I wanted to do a recipe that you don't need a stand mixer, because I don't have one, and I think that's where my dinner rolls kind of messed up at, because I don't have one. But don't worry, banana bread is fine. It's a great addition to your kitchen. So I have some almonds. I'm gonna put a handful in and a handful on top. Handful in. If you have raisins, now would be a good time. A 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm just gonna use canola. That's what I'm frying with right now. So 1/2 cup of canola oil, just to help with the moisture. If you don't want to use the oil, you can use sour cream. And we're just gonna fold this in. You all have most of these ingredients in your pantry anyway. Just put them together to make something yummy. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what we're looking like. Alrighty, let me wash my hands. Don't mind my flour mess. This is our banana bread. Make sure we get all of this mixed in. Okay, I don't have a loaf pan, but I do have a pan. I lined it with parchment paper, and now we're just gonna pour this in. Okay, and we're just gonna pour it in. Hold on, I'm gonna prop y'all up. Alrighty. Gonna make sure we get all of this goodness out. You know, I always say I want all my ingredients. All of them. One's on the spoon. I want all my ingredients. All right. So this is how we're looking. The oven is set to 350 degrees. And we're gonna place her in. Okay, and we're gonna set the timer for 55 minutes. Ah, forgot to put my almonds on top. I added my almonds. Oh, starting to smell something. Woo! All right, we're gonna pull this out and we're gonna check it. Oh, it's jelly, it's jiggly. So I know it's not ready, but we're gonna check it. Yeah, it's not ready at all. Plus it's jiggly. Yeah. All right, put it back in. We're gonna check it in 26 minutes. Alrighty, we have 3.5 minutes left. However, we're gonna go ahead and take it out because we don't want it to burn. It's beautiful. And we already know that it's going to continue to cook as it cools. Let's check it. It's clean. It's clean. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. It smells so good. Alrighty, so it has been about 15 minutes. Let's cut into our banana bread.
You know I love our camera, but somebody needs to send that brother chicken out like a stray cat that is stomped on. Absolutely. You're not even listening to what I said.
Look how clean it is. Pull it out. Ooh, let me get a plate.
He's saying that there's discrepancy of my results for my prostate exam.
Like what?
Previously, but he definitely said he wanted to seek a second opinion.
Still warm.
And, alright.
Still warm. Still warm. Still warm. Still warm. Oh, I wish I had some whipped cream to go on top. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I can't believe you've been dealing with this all by yourself. Father God, we come to you for protection and wholeness. For we know that with you,
Good.
anything can be made whole.
Okay.
Wellness.
Look at that banana.
We know that you are
Okay.
many things. And for that we are forever
So,
grateful.
the recipe.
Blessings.
That was almost.
Thank you, God.
For 55 minutes. I bake it all the way down to the last 52 minutes. 45 minutes will be perfect. However, it's still not dry. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. Yeah. The only thing about it,
Please tell me that was
the bottom. Inside is fire. So much. So soft. The almonds was a great touch. It's good. Let me check it. Yeah. It's not burnt. You can just tell it's gonna be crispy when it I want, look at that, y'all to see it. This is 55 minutes. It's still soft though. It's not dry, but it definitely was not worth baking for 55 minutes. Thank God we put that oil in. The taste It's fire. Let me show y'all the inside of the pan. Look. Perfect. Perfect. Just the edges are extra crispy. Not extra crispy. They're just a little dark. But other than that, perfect, y'all. 45 minutes. Check it. Check it at 45 minutes. But 55 minutes was entirely too long for my oven. Perfect. All right, y'all. So there you have it. We made our second day of flour power. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you made this recipe. Bye. People don't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.